Hi everybody, it's Teresa with Wreath Addiction RN. I'm going to show you how I set up my saddle, my hugger, when I have to use styrofoam. So I cut a piece of this styrofoam. This was gaps and cracks that was put into like an aluminum roaster pan, and then I just peeled it out of there, and after it had set up. I did that a couple of weeks ago actually. So then I cut the length that I wanted, and then I set it on here, and then I cut with this knife areas in here, and then I put glue on it as well. And then I'm also going to use a couple of these zip ties, and I'm going to go in around some of the bars and zip tie it to the hugger, just to make sure that it's going to stay secure. So I'm going to poke a hole through here, and I want my zip tie, actually it could be on the top, so it doesn't really matter, just so that, because on the bottom it could scratch, this could scratch the headstone or mailbox, whichever one you're thinking of. So it doesn't really matter where we go, to be honest with you, just somewhere in here. So I'll put that down through there. Sorry, got a frog in my throat. And I'm just going to go up through this hole that was created in the gaps and cracks. And just zip tie it down. So, let's see, where's my, and I'm going to do it again down here. I'm going to go through right in here. I may have to make another hole, because I tell you what, it seals up pretty quickly after you poke it. It's pretty crazy how that works. I think the glue is going to hold it. This is just a little extra precaution. Alright, so then so basically that's what it looks like. And then I already put glue on here, and if I feel like I need extra glue, like here, probably, I just couldn't see how deep it was. There we go. I think we're good. This isn't going to be holding a lot of things, so I'm not too terribly worried about it coming off or getting too wobbly. So okay, so I'm going to attach my pipe cleaners, and I always start at like the end here. Actually, I'm not going to do that one because I think we go from the other end just in case. So I'm going to make it even. So anyway, so, and then I'm pretty, I don't know, I try to be as close to it as I can. So about 4 inches is what I've been doing. And I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect, but I try to get it as close as possible. I'm not good at eyeing that yet, so I just kind of stick my tape measure in there and kind of do that. So just about 4 inches. Some people may be better. It does not have to be perfect. It can be whatever you want. And then I just hold it there, and I go ahead and glue it. So this won't be ready to use until later this afternoon, because I want to make sure that my zip pipe, my pipe cleaners are in the right place. So let's go 4 on the next one, which is about here. And I just turn them, and then it should take you to about the end, so that's going to be fine. So it's always about 4 on each side. So basically I just tried to go it across from each other. And then I actually put pipe cleaners in the center as well. I'll show you how I do that. And then that ought to take care of that. I just get my pipe cleaners from, I got these actually from Dollar Tree. And this hugger is from Hobby Lobby. This hugger is, oh, I threw that away, $3.99, I think. I thought I kept my little thingy, but it must have fell off. $3.99, and if you buy them already with the foam in them, they're like $8. So $4 versus $8, I guess. But I did not use $4 worth of styrofoam, so I think it's a more economical way to go about it. It's totally whatever your preference is. They also sell these at Old Time Pottery. So I'm only going to put 3, and I'm going like in between where these are up here. So and then I take some glue and I shove down in this hole, and then I shove my pipe cleaner in there. And then that's why it's not going to be ready until later today, because I want it to set up. And the next one's about right in here. That we're done. I didn't even need to use the skewer. I fill it quite full of glue. Stick this in there, and then the next one will be right around here. Okay. It's really very simple to do, and it just gives you a little bit more creative options. I know that sometimes whenever I was making them before I did styrofoam on here, some of my picks would not stay where I placed them. They weren't very secure. So this is what it looks like. And again, you know, this is for a headstone. So even though it's uneven, that doesn't matter. Your mesh is going to be on top of there. It's not a big deal. So it will turn out fine. This one was very uneven, so I'm making one exactly like this to go on a split headstone for a lady's parents. So that's what you can do with it. So be watching, because I will be doing a tutorial on putting the mesh on here and putting the picks in. So Thank you for watching. Again, follow me on Wreath Addiction RN on Facebook and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Press the bell to get notifications when I go live. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.